Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I got another pocket knife to show you. This is the Imperial Rhode Island, USA pocket knife. It's a Stockman with the bicentennial theme on it. It's got the shell constructed handles here that you can pop off here. You can pop off this whole section here, and then it's got this printed artwork kind of wrapped around the handle with the eagle on it. Pretty cool looking. All the blades have these kind of etching on it. That's with all these knives. They all have this type of etching on it. At first I thought it was some kind of an accident or whatever, but all the ones I've seen online do have this same kind of etching or whatever you want to call it on there. And there is the tang stamp, which puts this knife at between 1956 and 1988. I'm pretty sure this one was made probably 1975, just before 1976, so they can sell them. Main blade with a long nail nick there. Got the sheep's foot blade. And got the spade blade here. Pretty hefty blades on this thing. Pretty decent snap. Let's see. Let's go ahead and measure this guy. It's about 4 inches closed. Go ahead and weigh it. It's at 3 ounces. It's a pretty cool pocket knife. What do you guys think? That's it, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.